go.
Last season was 63.3 on 6 subs and 3 amps. So I lost on the meter going to the 8, but I gained demo.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Jacob Vile.
How's it going?
Oh, nice. Who built this? This looks really good.
Me.
Nice job, man.
Thank
A
you.
lot of work.
Yeah, Drew
Wow.
Jones, Faceaholic 4th.
There you go.
8 UAV 315s, the Wolframs on 4 7500s. That 16 volts, then 15.
What's your electrical, like your alternator battery?
4 370 underground power 370s, and then 116 amp hour LTO underground.
Okay.
I'm the team captain for underground.
All right. Awesome.
I watch your YouTube channel all the
You
time.
do? Appreciate it,
All
man.
the time.
I love all car audio systems, and this is honestly probably what, like a 61, 62 you burp on it?
61.7 so far.
There you go.
Last season was 63.3 on 6 subs and 3 amps. So I lost on the meter going to the 8, but I gained demo.
Demo, yeah.
Which I'm alright with that.
Yeah. So you went from, so you used to have 6.
Yeah, and then I just rebaffled and fit 8, and then added another amp.
Appreciate it, man. I love all car audio systems, and this is a honestly probably what, like a 61, 62. You burp on it?
61.7 so far.
There you go.
Last season was 63.3 on 6 subs and 3 amps. So I lost on the meter going to the 8, but I gained demo.
Demo, yeah.
Which I'm alright with that.
Yeah. So you went from, so you used to have 6.
Yeah, and then I just rebaffled and fit 8, and then added another 8.
Yeah. Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dave. You too.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.